In this video we are featuring the Oxford Products Henlow leather jacket. Designed for the urban rider, this sleek and stylish jacket combines the classic look of leather with modern features for both protection and comfort. The jacket is crafted from premium 100% full-grain 1.2mm cowhide leather, giving it a durable and luxurious feel. It is designed to provide maximum protection while maintaining a stylish and timeless look. The Henlow is perfect for riders who want a jacket that not only looks great but also offers top-notch safety features. With CE Level 2 armor at the shoulders and elbows, it ensures that you are protected as you can be in case of a fall or collision. The jacket also comes equipped with a pocket for a back protector insert, sold separately, allowing you to upgrade your level of protection if so desired. In addition to its safety features, the Henlow leather jacket also offers ample ventilation to keep you cool and comfortable on longer rides, which includes cotton lining which naturally wicks sweat away from the body and wind-blocking leather plackets behind cuff and front zippers. A nice finishing touch is the stylish Oxford reflective patch on the arm. The jacket is fastened up with a concealed YKK center front zip to avoid tank scratching. The zip also has an 100% leather zip pull to make it easy to adjust whilst wearing gloves. The jacket has adjustable waist straps and cuffs, allowing you to customize the fit for maximum comfort. With multiple pockets, including 2 hand warmer pockets and an internal pocket, the jacket offers plenty of storage options for your essentials. The Henlow leather jacket is available in classic black, making it easy to pair with any riding gear or outfit. The jacket also features subtle Oxford Products branding, adding a touch of authenticity to its design. Whether you're cruising around town or hitting the open road, the Oxford Products Henlow leather jacket is sure to turn heads and keep you protected at the same time. In our conclusion, the Henlow leather jacket is a top-notch option for riders looking for a blend of style, comfort, and safety. With its premium leather construction, CE Level 2 armor, and thoughtful design features, this jacket is sure to become a staple in any rider's wardrobe. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the Henlow leather jacket from Oxford Products is a versatile and reliable choice for all your motorcycle adventures.